Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this tutorial video we are going to be learning how to link email to Honkai Star Rail. So let's get started with the video right away since the process is quite easy. First, launch open the Honkai Star Rail application on your device, and then once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on your phone icon at the top left corner. This will open up the menu from where you'll need to tap on Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, click on User Center. On the next page, under Personal Information, you will see Link Email button. If you haven't linked email to Honkai Star Rail, tap on Link Email, and then you can go ahead and enter your email address. Add your email in the text box. Make sure to enter a valid email. After entering an email, click on Send, and you'll receive a verification code sent to your email inbox. Open up the same email inbox that you just entered to find the verification code. You'll receive an email from Hoyoverse. Open it up and copy the verification code inside. Get back to the Honkai Star Rail app and paste in the verification code in the verification text box. Once you are done, click on Next, and you have successfully updated the email address. You will see a message that says email updated or your email address was successfully updated, and that's it. After adding your email, you can recover your account easily if you lose your device, access cross-platform syncing, stay safe from data loss and hacking. And that's how you've successfully linked your email to Honkai Star Rail. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more gaming tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.